Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Science Grade 4, Quarter 2, Lesson 1. Our topic for today is about human body system, circulatory system. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! For our learning competency, the learners describe in simple terms how the following human body systems work: muscular, skeletal, digestive, circulatory, and respiratory. Objectives: Number 1, summarize the basic functions of the digestive system in a way that is easy for others to understand. Number 2, outline the key components and functions of the circulatory system in a clear and simple manner. Number 3, describe how the respiratory system works in straightforward terms. So before we start, let the students examine their hands, palm, arms, and look for the blue-colored, tube-like structures under the skin. And here are the guide questions. First, what do you think is it? What do they do? Second, how did you feel? What comes in and what comes out? Remember that air is one of the basic needs of living things we learned before. We learned that air contains oxygen and other gases. Unlocking content area vocabulary. First, we have blood. Blood is a red liquid in the body that carries oxygen and nutrients to cells and removes waste. Second, heart. A heart is a muscle that pumps blood throughout the body. Third, blood vessels. These are tubes that carry blood. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, and veins carry blood back to the heart. Third is pump. The heart's action of pushing blood through the body. Fifth is oxygen. A gas that we breathe in. It helps our cells make energy. Six, nutrients. Important substances in food that our bodies need to grow and function well. Let's now go on with the circulatory system. The circulatory system, often called the cardiovascular system, is a complex network that plays a crucial role in sustaining life. It consists of the heart, blood, and blood vessels, working together to transport oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. The heart acts as a powerful pump, pushing oxygen-rich blood through arteries to nourish every cell while returning oxygen-poor blood through veins. Capillaries, the smallest blood vessels, facilitate the exchange of gases and nutrients at the cellular level. Beyond its role in nourishment, the circulatory system helps regulate body temperature, maintain pH balance, and defend against disease. Understanding this intricate system lays the foundation for recognizing its importance in overall health and well-being. The circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, is a complex network in the body responsible for transporting blood, oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. What is your pulse rate? To check your pulse, place the tips of your index and middle finger on your wrist. Feel your pulse and count the beats for 15 seconds. Then, multiply that number by 4 to find out how many times your heart beats in 1 minute. Where does this pulse come from? The human circulatory system. Its main function is to transport blood, oxygen, and nutrients to the body. It has 3 main parts: the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart. First, the right atrium takes in blood carrying carbon dioxide. Second, blood is squeezed down into the right ventricle and taken to the lungs, where oxygen replaces carbon dioxide. Third, oxygen-carrying blood from the lungs enters the left atrium. Fourth, blood is pumped into the left ventricle and starts its journey again throughout the body. Next is blood. It is a special fluid primarily contained within the blood vessels. It has 4 main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Let's now go on with the 4 components of blood. First is red blood cells, carry oxygen, nutrients, and wastes. Second is white blood cells, fight diseases and protect the body from infection. Third is platelets, gather at the site of injury and help the clotting process. And fourth is plasma, straw-colored liquid where the other components float in. When someone has a blood test, a small amount of blood is taken and kept in a tube for testing. To closely examine it, blood undergoes component separation. One common method involves spinning it at very high speeds in a centrifuge. We also have the blood vessels. These are tubes or channels that carry blood throughout our body. There are three types of blood vessels: veins, arteries, and capillaries. Each one differs in size and structure. Each type of blood vessel has a unique role in the circulatory system. Let's have the first one, artery. Carries blood away from the heart. Second is capillary. Assists in the exchange of substances between the blood and tissues. Third is vein. Carries blood back towards the heart. Let's now go on with the functions of the circulatory system. First is carries oxygen. The circulatory system brings oxygen from the lungs to all the cells in the body so they can make energy. Second, delivers nutrients. It transports nutrients from the food we eat to our cells, helping them grow and stay healthy. Third, removes waste. The system takes away waste products like carbon dioxide from the cells. It brings carbon dioxide back to the lungs so we can breathe it out. Fourth, moves hormones. It carries hormones which are like messages from our glands to different parts of the body to help control how we feel and grow. Fifth is regulates temperature. The circulatory system helps keep our body temperature just right by adjusting blood flow to the skin. When we get hot, it sends more blood to the surface to cool us down. Sixth is balances pH levels. It helps keep the body's acid and base levels balanced, which is important for our health. Seventh, fights germs. The system carries white blood cells, which help protect us from sickness and fight off germs. 8. Helps with healing. It helps our bodies heal cuts and injuries by sending platelets and other substances to stop bleeding. This time, let us talk about maintaining a healthy circulatory system. Maintaining a healthy circulatory system and preventing problems involves making smart lifestyle choices, staying active, and being aware of your body's needs. Here are several effective ways to promote heart health and prevent circulatory issues. Number 1, Eat heart-healthy foods. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Foods like fish, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can support heart health. Number 2, stay active. Regular physical activity such as walking, biking, or playing sports strengthens the heart and improves blood circulation. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Number 3, maintain a healthy weight. Keeping a healthy weight reduces the strain on your heart and blood vessels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Number 4, limit alcohol. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Too much alcohol can raise blood pressure and lead to heart problems. Number 5, avoid tobacco. Stay away from smoking and secondhand smoke as they can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease. Number 6, manage stress. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time with friends. Chronic stress can negatively impact heart health. Number 7, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help your blood flow smoothly and keep your body functioning properly. Number 8, regular checkups. Visit your doctor for regular checkups to monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and overall heart health. Early detection can help prevent serious issues. Number 9, get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Good sleep helps your heart recover and reduces stress, which is important for maintaining heart health. Number 10, monitor blood pressure and cholesterol. Keep track of your blood pressure and cholesterol levels, as high levels can increase the risk of heart disease. If your levels are high, work with your doctor on a plan to manage them through lifestyle changes or medication if necessary. Learning activity sheets with answers. And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.